I can't believe it's finally Friday. This has been the longest week of my life. Do you have anything exciting planned for the weekend, or are you just going to catch up on sleep?
A little bit of both, I hope. Saturday morning, I'm going to a yoga class, and then I'm meeting a friend for brunch. But Sunday is my do-nothing day. What about you? Are you still planning that hiking trip?
I really want to, but I checked the weather report this morning and it says there's a 70% chance of thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon. I don't really fancy being stuck on a mountain in the middle of a storm.
That's a shame. You've been talking about that trail for weeks. If the weather's bad, why don't you come to the cinema with us? We're planning to see that new sci-fi movie everyone is talking about.
That sounds like a great backup plan. What time are you thinking of going? I should probably finish some laundry and grocery shopping in the morning anyway.
We're looking at the 4 p.m. showing. It's perfect because we can grab dinner right after. My brother is coming too, and you know how much he loves talking about space movies.
Oh, I remember. I'll bring my earplugs then. Just kidding. Let's check the weather tomorrow morning, and if it's raining, I'm definitely in for the movie.
Deal. I'll text you around 10 a.m. Let's hope for sun, but prepare for rain. Hello? Mark? Is everything okay? It's almost 1 a.m. and my phone woke up the whole house.
I am so sorry, Sarah. I didn't realize how late it was. I've been sitting here staring at my car, and I just didn't know who else to call.
Your car? What happened? Did you have an accident? Are you hurt?
No, I'm fine, but the car isn't. I was driving home from my shift, and it just died, right in the middle of the road. I managed to push it to the side, but now it won't start at all.
Where are you exactly? Are you on the highway or near the city center?
I'm near the old gas station on Fifth Avenue. I tried calling a tow truck, but they said it would take 2 hours to get here. I'm freezing, Sarah.
Okay, stay there. Lock your doors. I'm putting on my coat right now and I'll be there in 15 minutes. I can pick you up and we can deal with the car in the morning.
Are you sure? I feel terrible for waking you up. I know you have that big meeting tomorrow morning.
Don't worry about the meeting. That's what friends are for. Just stay warm and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Thank you so much. I really owe you one. Good morning. You beat me to the coffee shop today. I usually see you coming in just as I'm leaving.
Good morning, Mark. Yes, I had to get an early start because I have a massive presentation at 9 a.m. I need at least 2 double espressos to survive this morning.
I know that feeling. I have a mountain of emails waiting for me. Is that the new seasonal latte you're drinking? It smells like pumpkin and cinnamon.
It is. It's a bit too sweet, to be honest, but it feels like autumn in a cup. Are you having your usual large black coffee?
You know me too well, simple and strong. I've tried the fancy drinks, but I always go back to the basics. So, are you nervous about the presentation?
A little bit. My boss is very strict about the budget numbers, and I spent all night double-checking the spreadsheets. I just hope I don't forget my opening lines.
You'll be great. I saw you practicing last week and you sounded very professional. Just remember to breathe and take your time.
Thanks. I needed to hear that. Oh, look at the time. I'd better get going. I want to be the first one in the meeting room.
Good luck. I'll see you for lunch later if you survived.
If I survived. See you later.
I honestly can't believe it's you. I was walking across the street and thought, that looks just like David. But then I thought, no, David is living in London.
Well, I was in London. I just moved back 3 weeks ago. It's so good to see you, Elena. It's been, what, 5 years since the graduation party?
At least 5 years. You look great. London clearly agreed with you. What brings you back to the city? Did you get tired of the British rain?
The rain wasn't the problem, but I really missed my family. And honestly, I miss the food here. You can't get a decent taco in London to save your life.
That's true. So are you back for good, or is this just a long visit?
I've actually accepted a job at the university. I'm starting in the biology department next month. What about you? Last I heard you were traveling through South America.
That was an amazing trip, but I've been back for 2 years now. I'm working as a graphic designer for a fashion magazine. It's busy, but I love it.
We have so much to talk about. We can't just stand here on the sidewalk. Are you free for dinner tonight or maybe a coffee tomorrow morning?
I'm busy tonight, but I'd love to grab coffee tomorrow morning. There's a new place on 3rd Street that's excellent.
It's a date. I'll text you the time.
I think this is the hottest summer I can remember. I looked at the thermometer in my car and it said 38 degrees.
It's unbearable, isn't it? I walked 2 blocks to the store and I felt like I was melting. I really hope we get a thunderstorm tonight to cool things down.
The forecast says it's going to stay like this until Sunday. I've had my air conditioning running all day and I'm already worried about my electricity bill.
I don't even have air conditioning. I've been sitting in front of a fan with a cold towel on my neck. I think I'm going to go to the shopping mall this afternoon just to enjoy their cooling system.
That's a smart move. I did that yesterday. I spent 2 hours in the bookstore just because it was so nice and cold in there.
Remember back in January when we were complaining about the snow and the freezing wind? I'd give anything for a bit of snow right now.
I was thinking the exact same thing. We're never happy, are we? When it's cold, we want sun. When it's hot, we want ice.
It's the human condition, Mark. But seriously, stay hydrated. I heard on the news that we should avoid being outside between noon and 4 p.m.
I'm not moving from this couch until the sun goes down. See you when it's 20 degrees again.
Excuse me, driver, could we take the tunnel instead of the bridge? I heard on the radio that there's a major accident on the bridge and traffic is backed up for miles.
I can certainly do that, ma'am, but the tunnel has a toll. It'll add about $5 to your fare. Is that all right with you?
That's fine. I'm in a bit of a rush to get to the airport. My flight leaves in 2 hours, and I still have to go through security.
Don't worry, we'll get you there. The tunnel is usually much faster at this time of day anyway. Are you heading somewhere fun for a vacation?
I wish. It's a business trip to Berlin. I have a conference starting tomorrow morning. I've never been to Germany, so I'm a little nervous, but excited.
Berlin is a great city, very clean and very historic. Just make sure you try the currywurst while you're there. It's a local specialty.
I'll keep that in mind. Oh, look at the traffic ahead. Do you think we're going to be stuck here for long?
It's just a red light, ma'am. Once we get onto the highway, it should be clear. We have plenty of time. Just sit back and relax.
Thank you. I'm always like this before a flight. I'm a bit of a nervous traveler.
I see it all the time. Don't worry, I'll have you at the terminal in 20 minutes. Excuse me? I've been waiting here with my blinker on for 5 minutes. I was clearly waiting for that car to pull out so I could park there.
I didn't see you. I came from the other direction, and I've been driving around this parking lot for 20 minutes. I have a doctor's appointment in 5 minutes.
We all have appointments, but there's a system here. I was here first. You can't just swoop in and take the spot while I'm waiting for the other car to move.
There was plenty of space for me to turn in. I didn't realize you were waiting for this specific spot. Why don't you go take the one at the end of the row?
Because that one is for compact cars only, and I have an SUV. This is the only spot that fits my car. Please be reasonable and move your car.
I am not moving. If I move now, I'm going to be late for my appointment and they'll cancel it. This is the busiest day of the week.
Look, I'm not trying to be difficult, but this is just rude. Everyone else is following the rules.
Fine. You know what? Take the spot. It's not worth the stress. But I hope you realize that you're being very aggressive.
I'm not being aggressive, I'm being fair. Thank you for moving. I hope you find another spot quickly.
Unbelievable.
Can you pass me the salt and the black pepper? This pasta sauce needs a little more flavor. I think I put too many tomatoes in it.
Here you go. Do you want me to chop up some fresh basil too? I bought some at the farmer's market this morning, and it smells amazing.
Yes, please. That would be perfect. And keep an eye on the garlic in the pan. I don't want it to burn. If it turns brown, it gets very bitter.
I'm on it. So what did you put in the salad? It looks very colorful. Is that goat cheese and walnuts?
Good eye. It's goat cheese, walnuts, and some sliced pears.
I made a honey mustard dressing to go with it. I thought we should try something different tonight.
Tasting the sauce. Wow, that's much better. The basil really makes a difference. Are the noodles ready yet? They've been boiling for about 8 minutes.
Can you test one? I like them al dente, so they should be firm but not hard.
Testing a noodle. They're perfect. I'll drain the water now. Do you want me to set the table, or should we just eat in the kitchen?
Let's eat at the table. I even lit a candle. It's been a long day, and I think we deserve a nice, slow dinner.
I couldn't agree more. Everything smells delicious. Great job, chef.
So, my birthday is in 2 weeks, and I was thinking of having a small get-together. Nothing too crazy, maybe just 15 or 20 people. What do you think?
I think it's a great idea. You haven't had a party in years. Should we do it here at the apartment, or should we rent out that space at the community center?
I think the apartment is big enough if we move the sofa against the wall. We can have the food on the kitchen island and the drinks on the balcony.
Okay. What about the theme, or should we just keep it casual? I could make some of my famous mini burgers and maybe a big bowl of punch.
Casual is definitely better. Mini burgers sound perfect. I'll handle the music and the drinks. Do you think we should invite the neighbors? I don't want them to complain about the noise.
We should definitely invite them. If they're at the party, they can't complain about the noise. Plus, they're actually quite nice people once you get to know them.
That's a very tactical move. I like it. I'll start a group chat tomorrow and send out the invites. Do you think 7 p.m. is a good start time?
7 is perfect. It gives people time to get home from work and change. Should I help you with the decorations, or do you want to keep it simple?
Just some fairy lights and maybe some balloons. Let's keep it stress-free. I just want everyone to have a good time.
Leave the lights to me. I have some in the attic that will look beautiful. Did you see the price of eggs today? I almost dropped the carton. They were nearly $6 for a dozen. It's getting ridiculous.
I know, I noticed that too, and it's not just eggs. My grocery bill has gone up by at least 30% in the last few months. I'm spending a fortune just on the basics.
I've started looking for the store brands instead of the big names. Half the time, they taste exactly the same, but they're $2 cheaper.
I've been doing that too, and I've started going to that discount supermarket at the edge of town once a week. It takes longer to get there, but the savings are worth it.
Have you noticed the gas prices lately? I filled up my tank yesterday and it cost me $80. I think I'm going to start taking the bus to work.
I've already started carpooling with a guy from my office. We take turns driving every other day, and it has really helped cut down on costs.
It's frustrating because our salaries aren't going up at the same rate as the prices. I feel like I'm working harder but having less money at the end of the month.
Exactly. I've had to cancel my gym membership and stop eating out on the weekends. It's tough, but I guess we all have to make sacrifices right now.
Let's hope things stabilize soon. I don't know how much longer people can handle these increases.
Me neither. I'm just glad we're in this together.